Set to open. Outside. 10-14. 10 service. Up by AJ. Free ball. Set. Open. Miscommunication. Foul. Team tie. Team wants down on the service line. Good up. Up. Score. The team wants down. Take service. Reserve. Set to open. Score for team tie. The score 11-17. Another score, 20-12. Another service. 31-12. Good up. Score going to team time. On the third time. 18. Low serve. Free ball. Second goal. Score. Same service, 18. Service. Score, 15-21. 22-15. Big by AJ. Set to open. Oops. Nice. Ball from Tara. On first line, Marcus. What's up? 17-22. Cut to the opposite. Up. Marcus. Good job. Okay, 3-4. Set to the middle. In the score, Team Canada. Good job. Alright. Set to the opposite. In. Score 20-19. Good job. Score 20-22. Okay. Ano ba yung nangyari? Congrats, Mr. Ray. Alam, naku, nag-start na pinag sa front sa ating mga player. Okay, may gabi mo na tayo na nagpapas ko. Let's go, Sophia! Medyo naantala ko ang laro natin sa bench at nag-practice. Hindi po tayo pwede tumuloy na maraming kumagong at mga player. Ang ating po yung score natin 20-24. Sa organizer po, si AJ po binabayaran kami dito. Sinusulat kami. Ipanalo na lang daw po nila yung ano. Tuloy po ang laban ng wins. Okay na po, okay na po. Okay, same service po. Team Bonsgan. Good job. AJ. Alright, free ball. Set, sino ka susunod? Score, Boys Benita. 21-24. Ona po. For this set, 3 once down. 1 there. Alright. Second set na po tayo. Service. Kanina, ano ba service? Team Taray? Team 1 silang daw po. Okay. Ito na po. Dikit po ang laban dahil bakit po service po ito. Isa! One more! Okay, may pinakain po tayo. Hey! Service! Hey! Good. Take service. Set the open. Outside. Good try. Okay, free ball. Set. Give it a try. Okay. Score 4-0. Good job. You know, oh, this. One point. Open. Right. Inside. Ujung para malulog ka na. Maging masaya ka. Ayan! Nakakaroon ng point si AJ. Kita mo pag masaya ka, nakakascore na. Ituloy mo lang yan. Service line, AJ. Good serve. Set to the middle. Alright, interesting. What? Oh, those really want that. Score 7-2. Service. On the service line, Marcus. Good serve. Free ball. Leave it open. Inside. 7-4. Same service. Good serve. Up. No pass. Goes to be one side. 8-4. Outside. First line, good job. Back over. Same service. Feedback. Outside. Score 9-6 in favor. One down. One hand. Set it up with it. For those two, bad. On the second side, James. Back over that. 3-1 time, back to 4. Score, 10-7. Oh, not over. 18 na lupot ka na naman. Kaya ganun yung palo ko. Ay, ayun. Pwede ka sa AJ. O, magkasaya ka, makasaya tayo. Gusto ka lang makasaya ka. dito. Ang service line, Edna. Ang sa? Okay. Score, 39. Yung mahabang po ang tindaran, AJ, from side to side. Ayan, asde! Sayang. Walang sumano. AJ, walang malala. Hindi mo yung problema. Ang mahalaga ng bita. Inside! Score, 16-10. Tapos na ko inside! Grabe! Ang palakas ko yung AJ na makakatay. Buhat na buhat ko yung team. Isa. Oh! Naku po, nagkasakihan na. One minute na lang po. Alright. It's up. Oh! Almost. Score, 18-11. With 52 seconds remaining. Tatagyan sa tuloy niya. Alright, dito sa... Oops. Alas na tayo, Marcos. Kunting taray. Good shot. Alam ko. Score, 19-12. Three people. Team Boston. My